Your brain doesn't just rest when you sleep, it actually triggers a massive biological pressure wash, literally rinsing away the metabolic waste that builds up all day long. This isn't just about feeling refreshed, it's an intricate nightly deep clean that is absolutely vital for every memory you form and every thought you have tomorrow. It's the secret system protecting your mind from decline. Today, we're going to dive into the astonishing process known as the glymphatic system. You'll discover precisely how your brain orchestrates this internal cleansing ritual, how it navigates a torrent of fluid through your neural pathways, and why understanding this hidden mechanism fundamentally alters how you view rest and mental function. Once you grasp this nightly maintenance, your perspective on sleep will shift completely. For years, scientists believed the brain, unlike every other organ, lacked a dedicated lymphatic system to clear out cellular debris. It was a perplexing puzzle. How could such an active, energy-demanding organ, producing constant waste products, not have a sophisticated drainage system? We understood how your liver filtered toxins, how your kidneys purified your blood, but the brain seemed to be an exception, a biological enigma. This thinking left a giant, unanswered question mark hanging over one of our most critical organs. It was like discovering a major city with no sanitation department. But then, a groundbreaking revelation changed everything we thought we knew. In 2012, a team led by Dr. Maiken Nedergaard at the University of Rochester Medical Center published a pivotal study in the journal Science Translational Medicine. Their research illuminated a previously unknown network that essentially functions as the brain's unique plumbing system. They called it the glymphatic system. It's not just a passive flow. It's an active, powerful process that springs to life primarily, almost exclusively, when you are in a state of deep, restorative sleep. Imagine your brain as a bustling metropolis during the day. Neurons are firing, neurotransmitters are surging, information is being processed at incredible speeds. This constant activity generates metabolic byproducts, cellular debris, worn-out proteins, and even potentially harmful aggregates. While you're awake, the city is too busy, too crowded, for the deep cleaning crew to do its job effectively. The traffic is just too heavy. But then, as you drift into slumber, especially the profound stages of non-REM deep sleep, something truly remarkable happens. The glial cells, often seen as the supporting cast to the star neurons, orchestrate an incredible transformation. These cells, particularly the astrocytes, literally reduce in size, creating wider channels between your neurons. Think of it like a city at night when all the cars are off the roads and the alleys suddenly open up. And then, a powerful wave begins. Cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, which normally bathes the outside of your brain, begins to surge inward, pumped with incredible force along precise perivascular channels, microscopic highways that run alongside your blood vessels. It's like a fresh torrent of water suddenly flushing through every single street, every single alleyway of your brain. This isn't just a trickle, it's a flood. This fluid moves through the newly expanded interstitial space, sweeping up all that accumulated waste, those unwanted proteins like amyloid beta, which we now know plays a significant role in neurodegenerative diseases. The fluid, now laden with cellular debris, then drains out of your brain, exiting through lymphatic vessels in your neck, essentially carrying the day's biological garbage out of your head. This entire intricate cycle is a nightly symphony of detoxification. This isn't some abstract biological curiosity. This is the literal maintenance crew for your very consciousness. Before you understood this, you might have seen sleep as just a pause, a recharging of your mental battery. But now, consider the profound difference. It's not merely resting, it's a dedicated, active repair process. Imagine the difference between leaving dirty dishes in the sink all night, letting the food crust and harden, versus running them through a powerful dishwasher cycle. Your brain is not passively sitting there, it is undergoing an elaborate, internally driven plumbing and sanitation process. When you consistently deprive yourself of deep sleep, when you cut short this crucial cleaning cycle, you're not just feeling tired, you are actively allowing molecular sludge to accumulate in your most vital organ. This understanding profoundly changes how you perceive a restless night. It transforms a simple feeling of fatigue into a palpable awareness of potential cognitive risk. For example, a study by Lower Pitch, Shi and colleagues in 2013, published in the journal Science, provided compelling evidence that the glymphatic system's activity is significantly enhanced during sleep and that sleep disruption directly impairs the clearance of amyloid beta. This isn't just a hypothesis, it's observable biology. Think about it. Every morning when you wake up feeling foggy, that isn't just a lack of energy, it's a direct signal that your brain's nightly wash cycle was incomplete. The waste wasn't fully cleared. You're trying to navigate your day with an accumulation of cellular debris still clouding your neural pathways. What if I told you that skipping just one night of quality sleep could leave a measurable residue? It means less fluid surged, less waste was flushed. Over weeks, months, years, these small accumulations don't just disappear. They build up like sediment in a pipe, eventually impeding the smooth flow of information, slowing down your processing speed and chipping away at your ability to form new memories. Understanding this system means you no longer view sleep as a luxury, but as a non-negotiable biological imperative. It's the difference between driving a car that gets regular oil changes and one that runs on dirty, sludgy fluids until it inevitably breaks down. Your brain deserves that nightly maintenance. So, armed with this incredible knowledge, what can you actually do to optimize your brain's nightly deep clean? Here are 3 concrete ways you can actively support your glymphatic system starting tonight. First, prioritize consistent, uninterrupted deep sleep. The glymphatic system operates most effectively during non-REM deep sleep, a phase often shortened by irregular sleep schedules, late-night screen time, or even alcohol consumption. To encourage this deep stage, establish a strict bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Dim the lights in your home at least 2 hours before bed. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening. When your brain anticipates a regular, full sleep cycle, it prepares for that extensive cleaning operation. The expected brain response is a more efficient influx and outflow of CSF, leading to a more thorough nightly flush. Second, ensure proper hydration throughout the day. The cerebrospinal fluid that does the heavy lifting in your glymphatic system is largely composed of water. Dehydration, even mild, can reduce the overall volume and flow dynamics of this critical fluid. Think of trying to run a power washer with low water pressure. Your goal is to keep that pressure strong. Aim to drink clean water consistently, perhaps 8 to 10 glasses throughout the day. Consider adding electrolyte-rich foods or a pinch of sea salt to your water to improve absorption. The scientific expectation is that optimal hydration supports the production and circulation of CSF, providing ample fluid for the brain's cleaning process, ensuring there's enough liquid to carry away the waste effectively. Third, integrate regular, moderate exercise into your routine. While the glymphatic system is most active during sleep, daytime physical activity significantly impacts its long-term health and efficiency. Studies suggest that exercise promotes overall cardiovascular health, which in turn supports healthy blood flow to the brain, crucial for the formation of CSF and the maintenance of the perivascular channels. Furthermore, exercise can improve sleep quality, indirectly boosting glymphatic function. Think of it as preparing the terrain for the cleaning crew. Even a brisk 30-minute walk daily can make a profound difference. The expected brain response here isn't an immediate clean, but a long-term strengthening of the entire system, making it more robust and effective night after night. You are no longer a passive recipient of sleep. You are the orchestrator of your brain's nocturnal purification. You now understand that when you choose to go to bed at a reasonable hour, when you create a serene environment for rest, you are not just being diligent. You are actively engaging in the sophisticated biological engineering of your own cognitive future. This isn't just about avoiding cognitive decline, it's about actively enhancing your mental clarity, fortifying your memory, and protecting the very essence of who you are, one night's deep clean at a time. Your brain is an incredible, self-maintaining machine, and you hold the instruction manual to keep it running flawlessly. This nightly brainwash is just one of the astonishing mechanisms inside your head, silently working to keep you sharp, healthy, and performing at your best. There's so much more to uncover, so much more fascinating science waiting to be decoded. Join us next time as we continue to explore the hidden wonders of your brain and unlock even more powerful insights into how your mind truly works.